In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bookmap Volume Dots. First, make sure you have your Bookmap chart open for the symbol you're trading. With the chart visible, look above the main display for the Studies icon, often shown as a small flask or a gear. Click it to open the Studies panel. In the list that appears, find the entry labeled Volume Dots, sometimes called Volume Bubbles, depending on your version, and turn it on. That's all you need to do to display them. Now, let's make sense of what you're seeing. Volume dots plot the actual executed volume right on your chart at the exact price and time those trades occurred. Time moves left to right, price is shown vertically, and each dot sits where trades happened. The size of a dot scales with the amount of volume that traded there. Bigger dot, more volume. The color typically reflects which side was more aggressive at that moment. A warmer hue indicates sellers were hitting bids more forcefully, while a cooler hue suggests buyers were lifting offers more aggressively. Depending on your theme, the palette may differ, but the idea is the same. Color tilt equals pressure tilt. Watch how dots cluster around key price levels. When you notice a series of sizable dots stacking at a level that also shows strong liquidity on the heat map, it can indicate active two-way trade and potential absorption. If dots consistently get larger as price advances through a level, that often signals momentum and participation building in that direction. Conversely, when dots shrink and scatter after a run, it can suggest exhaustion or hesitation. Pay attention to sequences rather than isolated dots. A single large print at one price might be meaningful, but a string of similarly large dots walking up or down can reveal intent. When dots appear across several adjacent prices in quick succession, that can highlight a sweep where one side is aggressively taking the other side's liquidity. Also notice when large dots form, but price doesn't move much. That kind of activity near a well-advertised level can hint at strong absorption. Context matters. Highly liquid instruments will naturally produce more frequent dots, so compare relative size within the same chart rather than across different symbols. Tick size and time of day will influence the appearance as well. Early sessions may show bursts of large dots, while quieter periods compress activity. To recap, open your chart, open the Studies panel, and enable volume dots. Then let the dots tell the story. Size for volume, color for aggressor, and location for the exact price time of execution. With practice, this simple visual can make the flow of orders far more intuitive.